Let's see. Whoop. There we go. Oh, let's open up Godolo first so we don't, you know what, it's good enough. A couple of minutes here and there. Turn out that music, turn off on the timer as we work towards getting our hands on a functional game. So we're not making a good game, we're making a functional one. So we create a new project name. It should be pausing is gameplay. Gameplay. Wait, what are we doing? Try Jam 314. Well, that'll make about slightly more sense. Try Jam hashtag 314. Compatibility. Yeah, create and edit. Now let me know if music is too loud. It's looking a little strong on the mixer there, so let's try that one. Now then, hopefully this one shouldn't be too loud anymore. So, what do we need in order to make a game about a staring contest? Where we could argue that it's not so much that pausing is the gameplay, it's quitting is winning. It's like EVE Online. You win it. You win EVE Online when you stop playing EVE Online. Because it is a never-ending game. I tried it a little bit many years ago. It was fun enough. But I very quickly just came to the conclusion that while it had many themes I enjoy, many aspects I enjoy, I'm not that much of a fan of the social sandbox types of multiplayer games. I mean, I get it. Many people do enjoy them very much. But, yeah, I'm not one of them. So let's start by making the staring contest. So, what do we need? I have no idea. Now, the eye entity is just there. So we don't need... should we just have an animated sprite? I mean... I think so, yeah. Because we don't need no physics. Nothing needs to interact with it. So it's just there. Now, animated sprites needs sprite frames. We click on new sprite frames. Click there, I get it open up here underneath, and I believe I can just drag this one in here somewhere. There we go. So we don't have to worry about, no, I messed up. Add new child node, and let's go with the texture. Extract, that's the one. You fill out the screen. Where are my grid buttons? There we go. You live inside the texture. Correct. Where you get correct. And Because I don't need a sprite per se. Do we have other animated nodes we can do? Animate body. 2D physics body that can't be moved and moved manually fixed. I don't want to need the physics. A node used for animation playback. A node used for advanced animation transitions in an animation player. Oh no, what the heck is this? Huh. Call this node staring contest. I have completely forgotten that. You know what I need? I need a folder. So we'll have there we go. Staring contest. And then we'll need another folder for runner. Running game. We shall the staring contest scene, which we are saving inside the staring contest folder. Now. You're gonna need script. There we go. Animation player. Animation player is a general purpose playback animations. Blah 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 blah. Right, tweens were a thing. But I shall choose to ignore them. And you know what? We're gonna make this happen slightly in a dumb way by doing a static body. You getting the sprite. You can have your shape. Not that it matters. You can have it. Also, in game, can we make interesting textures, by the way? So do a new one. I'll say okay, and I choose the bucket. We'll see, because we have existing like textures things here. What? How do I read it? Oh, it's horrifying. Presets, no. Do a new layer. Well, sure. One is nice default. Okay. Doesn't really work. How do I? I'm confused. Selecting copy from an image or pattern using brush. Something we're missing here. Again. Pointer images tool presets. There we go. Pattern fill. Okay. Whoa. It's a bit rough. You know what? I'll take it. Burlap underscore BG. Ah yes, Honeyballs. We are doing our best. BG. And we'll put inside documents. We don't need any of these. Nope. There we go. There we go. Fantastic. Expand key. Good. Welcome back to the ads, everyone. So now we got a nice little burlap sack for background. This thing isn't really working out the way I was hoping. Add child node. On animation player. How did that work? And I can't control its location simply either. God damn you. I understand, but the static body can't do it. Cancel. Extract at G add the thingamabob. Do you have any useful ones here, I wonder? Video stream player. We won't need that one. Extract we'll be using for the background. Now I just want to center this thing. Is it really that much to ask? Yes, it is. Yes, you're all getting to enjoy me. Be just as confused as everyone else trying to figure out what can I or can I not do with these things. It's canvas item, no to and then animate sprite. Right now, that contains multiple textures, frames with animation, which is exactly what we want. It's sprite 2D, except it carries multiple textures. Resource, blah 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 blah. 2D texture. Texture displayed can be a region from a larger atlas texture or a frame from a sprite sheet animation. Yes. Yeah, wrecked. If true, texture is centered. Centered? Wait, are you telling me? But no, I don't want that one. So these can go. This one. Oh well. I just wanted to put this inside that one so they'd be easier to like center. 1, 2, 3, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 9, 2, 9. There's the middle line. 2, 6, 7, 10. So kind of centered. Centered enough for our purposes, at least. And now we'll have an eyeball. Means this guy should be getting renamed. We'll call him just eyeball. What else do we need? Well, we need the buttons now, don't we? So add child mode button. Button says I blinked. Restart. Now what? No, it doesn't. It just says restart. We'll put the I blinked in a text like slightly above it. One, there we go. There we go. Something like this, I think. Now, yeah, come with text that says I blinked over above it. Add a label, I believe. It shall say I blinked. It is not an Apple product or one of those wannabe ones. Center. I believe it is under theme override. We have font sizes. We'll accept font size, yes. And we'll start making the text big enough to look acceptable. All right. Come on now. Go. I blinked. F2 BG. Need one more label. Goes whole thing and press space to pause. For example, we don't know how important that will be, even, or how we'll make all that work. Enable settings. Oh, you have a pre-made. Okay, I have never checked that one. There's so much to go. So very much. Delightful. Now, stop it. Theme override, font size. Here we got 28. There we go. Have to pause text. Password. See, you can almost, right? Sometimes even I can get my words correct. But it's not. But right now, it's not that time. What we can do is that one in there, and I shall call it your mama. No, I'm calling it call it just title. And title will be Staring Contest. Center, theme override, font size. And so it's 16, 6, 52. Right? This is looking actually delightfully dumb. I'm enjoying this. It's so stupid. Whoa. So, we have the core of the staring contest coming along to the point we could actually go like this and just check here F6 run current scenes. How what does this look like? Staring contest. Press pause. I blink. Restart. Excellent. Restart will have a countdown, so you know. So it says, when it's time to, when the game starts, something will happen. Ooh, got 2 red ones. Oh, right. You see, we changed the name of the animated sprite and was looking for it with the old name. I renamed it Eyeball. And so, the code could not find it. Code does not think. The code only does what the, coder commands. That is the more delightful part of coding, and also which is why sometimes I don't like modern IT stuff, because they're a bit too helpful. They interpret what you're doing. I mean, often they get it right, but every now and then they interpret something completely wrong. Or I'm trying to manually do something and then trying to help me. I'm like, no, you don't. Stop trying to help me now, machine. I am the admin, not you. But let's continue in building this piece of nonsense. Now we don't really. What else do we need? Staring contest in the running game. The staring contests. We'll do another one called. It's called menus. Call this one main menu. I can just copy this one. As is here, right? Perfect. And we'll have the same background on most things. That'll function just fine. title at the same spot. Delightful. And another label. Yeah. Here's two. Link loses. Be honest. There we go. Center, center. Theme override, font size. Choose a font size, and that's a bit bigger than I expected. Word. Button here to start the game. Where is my... Oh. There we go. Now it's centered. Now your text is dumb. Let it be. Let it remain for now. So you click this. You jump into this. What else? Having a brain fart here, like I'm trying to remember what was. I had a picture in my head of what will lead to what. So, game start in main menu. Sharing content first includes as be honest. Start the game. A little countdown, 3, 2, 1, and then my ball appears. Does a silly little animation. On the side here we have linked. What I'm gonna actually child mode. Box container, and it shall have that one. I have to restart on the restart button. Oh, right there, and I'm okay with this. Slightly better contained. Let's make that one. There we go. Now that's centered. I'm going to use it to get all that shit centered. Not at all, really. I was thinking of having a sort of timer appear here. You know what? The same eyeball time animation thing can do the timer as well. Which is a 3, 2, 1, and then when it's done with that animation, then it jumps over the eyeball animation, all of that then also, and that thing's length is determined by a random timer, which we can then input mechanically into the code itself. That'll be fine. Main menu, just to start the game. I mean, super simple code. And the code is this. Move that guy all the way to the top there. And nothing's happening here, so we do a funk. Ah, no, we don't even need a freaking funk now, do we? So we just go start, mode, pressed, connect, and we do a get tree, change scene to file, staring contest. And we should be able to see. Excellent. See, main menu thing works now. I can need F5 and select main menu. Open. All right, we're gonna need another button somewhere. This button shall be called quit. On quit pressed. Get quit. We'll check this. You know what? Might be better if also the quit button somewhere where it can actually be used. And also, yeah, wrote something in so you can actually see it. I know that one works. Hey, we have a quit button. It actually works. Nice. I'll add that one also into our pause menu. Nazi. Having your buttons. When they kill the game, 1 to move into the actual staring contest itself. And let's make this one work, and then we'll make the runner work. Now, to make this one work, we will need art. What kind of art do we need? Try to make it slightly more pixel fun, and this time try to remember to add new layers and draw on those, and not just draw in the background and then be all miffed when stuff don't work no more. When they have to like then cut and paste and do all kinds of shenanigans in order to get the alpha channels just right. It can be a little it can get a little annoying. Things don't really wanna do what they're told. As such, the bucket will wait. What does that look like? Huh, interesting. Control Z, sponge. No, we shall have a pixel. Start with 1. Actually, no. Good old 2. Do array, so we can do our first sketch layer pretty much. So what we want is an eyeball. We put like, Something like this, yes. Thingy that goes there. Okay, what? Dynamic apple jitter, smooth stroke, lock the brush to view, hard edge, anti-erase. Hardness and force at 100, and yet it takes me like multiple clicks to get rid of stuff. Well, I don't want you to absolutely delete what everything I'm actually pushing on, you know? How do I make the eraser actually erase? Okay, there we go. I fixed it. Yeah, that works. Every time I come here, I learn a little bit more about GIMP. Yeah, and then iris, and then we'll want those lashes. You know, maybe the lashes could be on their own layer here. Bit like, you know, that's all messed up. I always found like drawing lashes a little difficult. So I'd like figure out how do I shorten them when they go up, because they, you know, coming towards the viewer, and then you have to lengthen them towards the side. You just end up with that kind of madness. Yeah, using layers is better. Layers is best. Feeling maybe it'll be better if we skip the lashes. Just saying, it might be for the best, just in case. What did you do this time? Having it here works as well. Hey there, Narian. staring right into my soul. Well, that's good. That's what the goal is. You see, I'm making a very stupid eyeball for the game of staring contest. How you doing, Nerine? I hope you're having a wonderful morning. And once again, at the end of the stream, if some of these assets end up looking fun enough, I might turn them into emotes. I'm trying to figure out how do I lashes. Bacon. Come on, your mouse. Yeah, thicker lines seem to be... Oh no, too early. Yeah. Still fighting pneumonia, but at least the antibiotics are finally kicking in. Oh, shit. I hope they're... Well, good thing they're kicking in, and I hope you start feeling better soon. Pneumonia is not a nice place to be. The thing is, yeah, I'm gonna think we're gonna skip the lashes. And instead... What can we do? Well, let's add some color. Okay, we'll call it lashes, but instead we'll be doing it as the proper layer 1. And what is a good color? Start with a nice, freaky, fleshy color. Make it a little darker. A little more brown. There we go. Never had pneumonia before, so it's been an experience. Even COVID didn't make me struggle to breathe like this. Well, that's... Oh, you got lucky with COVID. For some people, they got that and or worse. But I hope you feel better soon. That really sucks. I don't think I've actually had pneumonia myself, but I've witnessed it from the side, and yeah, it can be quite debilitating. Now let's see. If I add then... Make it like this. Heck. Drawing by hand is hard. Oh well. At least it's easy to erase stuff. Why am I not seeing? Okay, you know what? Just because I can't see it doesn't mean it's... is not working as I would. Welcome back from the edge, everyone. I'm here still trying to figure out... Oh, okay, that was going to make life a lot easier. You see, for some reason, like a dumbass, I try to draw this from very far away. Sometimes I forget I'm actually drawing on a computer. I have magical tools at my disposal. Not only that... Okay, let's do something magical. Once more. Delete all of that. Whip out the pen. Down. Fine, I want the color mostly. Now, if I jump down to this layer, grab the magic wand, grab all of that, jump back up to this layer, and we dump the bucket in. Oh, whoa. That is not what we wanted, that was freaky. There we go. That's what I want. I want to jump over to the eraser. Slice the slightly higher size. Figure out where they separate. Oh, it's all too thick. Okay. There we go. That line is also too thick, I think. Gotta make the brush smaller once more to fit into tighter spaces. Work. Size down to 1. Change over to our magic wand once more. Just go for that. This might get too freaky, but we'll see how it goes. In fact, I'm gonna do a new layer for this one. Let's keep on forgetting layers are a thing, so we'll do let's go 1. Let's call that, even though we're technically not highlighting anything. Where would mean we're closer to low lighting, but you know, do this. And the reason I wanted to do this on a new layer was so that I can more easily then choose all the color on this layer and change that. Olivia Lurkley, Subnautica. Finally, I'm playing it after buying it several months ago. Well, it is a fantastic game, Narian. I really hope you have fun with it. It is a very cool survivor crafter, very cool world, fantastic story. Delightful experience, all in all. I hope you have fun with it, and I hope you start feeling better soon, friend. And thank you for the lyric. I do appreciate it very, very much. Sort of like, not directly a highlight, but sort of bring out the fleshy bits, if you will, because we're not doing eyebrows or the hair, so we're getting the sort of delineation between like the inner half and the outer half of the eyelids with this line alone. And then we have there's a name for this part of the eye, but I can't remember it. Zoom out. Delightfully freaky. I like it. I like it. Okay. Then from here, new layer. We'll call it iris 1. below Outlash. Actually, yes, that's exactly what I want. Magic wand, grab the gray stuff again. So that inside is 1. What should the color of this eye be? That seems reasonable enough. And our pixel size for the brush can grow. That's a bit too much. This is just the outer rim of the iris, and then we'll see about trying to do an inner rim. There, just to make sure we have a area. Yeah, now we can, if necessary, fill with a bucket. What forest green is not that? Blue. There we go. That's the one. You know, why would you? FG color fill, whole selection, similar colors. Yeah, that's okay. Oh, easier if I do another new layer. Pupil. Alright, there's 1. Magically grab that one. Look at pupil. I could fill that. And there you go. Back on Iris Studio. Control-Shift-A. So, the eye is here and it is looking at you. Now we want another eye color and it is browner. This green here. You know what? Let's just do single row for now. Tweak it if necessary. Here's the Ripperoonie. The idea is not this. It's a little too insane. Can leave the brown around the iris though. I think that stuff did work. These two need more blending. Or at least the outer layer needs more thinning. Now if I grab this, can I make a darker version? Try something with the hard edge. Real soft one. I think that could work actually. New layer. Iris 2. Goes beneath iris 1. Grab the brown. Click many times. You know what? I'm gonna do a quick little Googling here on a side screen. That is apparently forest green. Change brush. Yeah, the problem is it's all a little too even, too pale, and you know, no eyes actually at quite that even. So do the size. Pixels. This is the one. Do this one really small size. Nope. Down the focus. Alright, oh right, so the goddamn pencil, that's why. Paintbrush. See, that's what I wanted. Yeah. Well, this is done, the animation part should be easy enough because the eye, the center, the iris and all that will remain pretty similar. Most of the changes will be to the eyelids position. There we go. I'm kind of okay with that, actually, surprisingly enough. Except no. Again, I realized too late. My problem is simple. I'm trying to make a goddamn sort of realistic iris shape, and it's like, nope, not the place, not the tools. What I should be looking at is cartoon and anime eyes, if anything. And for that, we actually want a strong, vibrant color in the background now, don't we? And in that way, that would be better. It's easy to forget this. And I would want the official one. Let's see, where is it? 228B22. This lower half to be slightly lighter. Remove all that. Grab the magic border. And the pupil back to us to kind of see what we're doing, because this is obviously where I'm going to have a super highlight. Look, so white dot there. The between light is coming from this direction. Usually we cartoon world, you do eyes a bit like I would do glass or gem, something see-through. So then we have a highlight area here. Smoothing it out might have been a mistake. Take in a whole lot more. Transition will be a bit sharper. Add the dark again, and we try to unmake some of the stuff we did here. Here, and this can go away. This is the sort of vibe I think I'm hoping for. And we'll see what it all looks like if we then do the erasure at 31. Don't you stupid goober. Why do you keep doing this? Add tab. Tool options. I'm trying to undo the fucking... like what I'm undoing right now. Well, hello there, Gyro. How are you doing? I'm doing quite all right. A little bit tired. I had a little bit of a wild ride last night with I had an unplanned stream and it went a little overboard. Had a good time, but I didn't get enough sleep. Here I am, and I'm doing my best to make another silly game. The theme for today, for this weekend, was pausing is the gameplay. So I'm making a sort of meta interpretation of that, where it is a staring contest, and then if you pause the game, then there is a sort of like running jump in the pause menu, sort of runner game. I don't want this to be the brush. I want you to be the pencil. You shall be completely white. Oh, yeah. I just didn't. I couldn't come up with ideas that I could actually like pull off in a short amount of time. So I thought, well, I'll do something. Okay, let's see here. If I... Well, damn. I should have used this round brush to begin with to make the eye. Oh well, this looks better. But it's a bit too much brown in here right now, so I'm gonna turn that one, see if I can turn that one green. Go with... Sorry about that, everyone. I didn't have enough time. It surprised me. I failed you. And the ads are upon us as well. Now. You know what? See? Perfect. I was totally overcomplicating the entire thing. White and make slide just a little bigger. 5, too much. 4. Interesting. Wonderful. So I'm drawing all this, but it's on the wrong gosh darn layer. That works. Then we do this. How about you, Jaro? How are you doing? What have you been up to? I'm just making dumb shit because I have had a bad night of sleep, so I'm doing the best I can with what I got. It's either like that or like this. We're going with this one. This one gets the job done. In fact, it gets it done very well, so yeah, totally going with this one. Now, we'll also need this one. Started working on editing my VOD for my YouTube. Made quite a progress on the game this week. Scrapped one mechanic, add another instead. Yo, yeah, nice. Holder of plates. Oh yeah, so you mentioned that on casual stream. You found that on HIO, right? See if I can find the time to go check that out myself. Hard edges. Hardness. Everything is full power. Yeah, I can't stop playing it. It's on Edge Shop. They'll put it on Steam and keep working on expanding. Yeah. Let's hope for the best. I mean, HIO, you can still sell. I mean, HIO functions as a store as well, so you don't have to put it on Steam. But if it is, but it seems a good way to then reach the larger markets, if you will. Now, so we have an eyeball. Okay, the pupil needs to be bigger. We'll say pupil. Pupil highlights. This goes above pupil, yes. Oh, there we go. Good. Pupil itself can do well. Nice. And harness. Very small. Yeah, that's better. Much better. Wow. Considering something I'm half-assing here, I'm just doing pretty well. Just called the eye for now. And based off of this, now we need to do a new layer called lid plus 2 goes above here, and we copy from lashes because we glue lashes. We got to get this and lash highlights. Actually, lashes need to be renamed into lid plus 1. It's for devs, not for players mostly. Well, that is kind of true, yeah. But I mean, the itch does have stores. You know, you can actually sell games there. Many people do sell and buy, but it is true. A lot of that is more of like by devs, for devs, and like for hobbyists and so on. And if you want to reach the more like main masses and so on, then you're gonna want to sell on and like a platform like Steam or Epic or something like that. That is actually very true. Yeah, I gotta write that down actually. I'd go check it out now, but I am on the timer is running on this thing, so now I'm gonna animate this. Alright then, and on lid plus 2, but above lid plus 1. And I think I want to copy lid plus 1 completely as is, to be honest. Okay, which color this? Copy that color, lid plus 2, and oh yeah, because highlight is still there. Good. Of course, keep it working at a bit chilling in the background editing. Well, thank you for hanging out, General. It's always a pleasure. I try to make, whenever I find you online, I try to come lurk there as well. I don't always chat that much. Sorry about that. But whenever I catch you there, I should start editing my stuff as well. I haven't really edited anything. I just have stuff. Just raw on YouTube. I mostly use it for like long-term storage. Alright, so my little don't go looking for attention. What's my attention? No? Maybe. I try editing, it's hard, but it pays off. Yeah, I mean, it is a skill I need to learn. I just haven't gotten really around to it just yet. Alright, now, what I want here, though, is for this line, make this 1, 3, yeah? And out with the pen. Now, for lid plus 2, I want in general the lid to be just closing just a tiny bit, so I have a little bit of a animation. And I don't know how much would be a bit good. When the lid closes, it is generally the top That goes down first. I like the line that I did, but I also realized I made a mistake. There we go. Because if we're going to replace the top line, probably just get rid of the top line I have underneath first. Okay, of course, this is going to be the previous line looked okay, so this means this one's going to look like nonsense. But that's the way it works. And the entire thing up by 1. God damn it. There we go. 2. There we go. Red size goes back to 1. Oh, that size goes back to big. Give that. Add the small red trim. We had that previously, and in my opinion, it gives that eye a little bit more that its fleshy nature. Sort of what I'm going for. Well, I'm a fan of nice, clean design, and I know things being nice and pretty. Also enjoy the mild unsettlingness that comes from just general design being just a touch mushy. The question is, how should I balance all this? Do I need to make copies of everything? The eye level 2. And looking like I don't need to copy the pupil or the pupil highlight, where the iris 2. Oh. This is that one. It's not in use, so I can delete iris 1. Just did it. Duplicate layer is there. Goes up here. Oh no, it needs to be here. Quiet. And this guy needs a duplication. Right? Nah, we can do it inside Irish2 copy. Think. Boom. 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 I hide these two. Only left with Irish2 copy, and then it is time to start erasing shit. Yeah, video editing. That is a skill I need, especially because I want to learn to, put stuff on like properly on the YouTube. Right now, I just get the VODs, like just raw saves and the occasional short. That ends up there. There is much still to learn that comes to streaming and creating all this interesting online stuff. Generally having an online presence, if you will. And a lot of it comes down to creating better content, if you know. Just a way of putting it. Okay. That works. So, export as. We have Prejam 314, daring contest. You can do it there. So, this is actually I_2. Yep, exactly. Save nothing. Behind this, we open these. Behind those, we open these. Looks good. Now we export what we see as the original I1. Now, if this works out the way I'm hoping it would, then we need a third one, which is a closed eye, because we're doing a staring contest game. Which, of course, you're not supposed to. The whole thing is a joke. In case someone missed it. But just because it's a joke doesn't mean we can't make it good. Eyeball. Now, animation frames. Staring contest. Right click, new folder. We should call assets. It should be inside staring contest. Here, how do I delete frame? 5 frames per second. Let's get 2 FPS and let's press. It's a bit too pointy. This needs to go tiny bit down. I wonder if I could just probably could all kinds of shit. You're gonna control yourself now. was drawing on the goddamn wrong layer. Again. I think. That should hopefully be enough. Well, hello there, SomoIF. Hello there, how's it going? Oh, I hate it when the wrong layer thing happens. Oh, yeah. So I draw the thing, and then I go, okay, I'm gonna have to erase the extra, and then like nothing's happening, and then I realize, done goofed again. And hello there, SomoIF. I am doing otherwise just fine. I'm just a little tired. I did not sleep enough last night. Yeah, I'm good. And now it is Sunday, so we're making silly games. And the theme for this week was pausing is the gameplay, so I'm just going more, I don't know, meta with it. By take it. By doing stuff like too much. Like having the game, the quote-unquote game be a staring contest, which, you know, makes no sense. And that is the idea here. It is what we're done here with this this eye animation. Oh, that's the one. Then we're gonna save. Then export as inside assets. For 2. Export. Place. Don't make the actual game. See, that's the eyeball. Same sleeve, that was rough, but it's a nice Sunday and sun is shining. That is very true. It was very nice weather when I was outside with the dogs. We need a third picture of the eyeball. That's just called closed. Now, I like the layers. There you go, lead post 2. And the color. Where is the magic wand? There we go. Jump over closed. I'll get it in. And okay, there we go. So now we're gonna see about turning this. Come on now. Closed eye. I think. Right, I should probably see. Do that. Then I copy that. There we go. I paint. Now the idea is to do. That. Have the thingbob. Then hide that. Make that color size back to 1. That for a little bit. Copy here. close this here and it contains its own highlights and everything. So I think it'll be a-okay. Yeah, the idea was to make this sort of like quote-unquote staring contest idea. Then, because the theme was, you know, pausing is the gameplay, and I was thinking, well, I could do just asynchronous pausing, complex like puzzle games. But then I realized, well, I could do all of that, but the problem is that would involve a lot of level design, and as you remember from the Spy Stuff game jam, level design for me at least takes a long time because I'm not very good at it. Alright, that one should now be export as I closed export. I like the idea, yeah. The thing is, just like, you know, when in like Chrome, when you have no internet connection, you get the running game where you jump. So that's gonna be like the hidden actual game. The like overt game is like just the meta. It's a staring contest, but so there's no point in it, you know. But the thing is, when you pause the game, then you get a little running game. Yeah, the Rhino game, exactly that one. So I'm just playing around with the theme that way around. So there's like a fake game in the beginning. Now we go to. Okay, so now save this as well. And here we have the default, and then we'll have to add a new animation. Which where did I do it? Let's try again. Export as I closed. Burlap I closed PNG. Inside, staring contest and assets. There we go. Blip. Right, we don't have enough background for this because this thing's too dark, and I found this like random burlap background which I'm using from Godot. And let's see. Let's just add a color rect. We'll put it here in the middle. Hide the BG for now. Something like that. And eyeball is in front of it. The BG. Do you have animation, default speed scale offset, multiply and load? Yeah, the background could be a tad lighter amount or a different color, yeah. So there we have. So they have, you know, press space to pause. I blinked, you press restart. In the actual game, you press number 5, so he was staring contest. First, the blink loses. Be honest. And start the game. And if you blink, you get restart. And then I'm gonna have a timer that randomizes when you start the game for how long this will keep doing this until it then closes, and then we go to win screen. Be honest, never. Yeah, well, that's the idea is it is like it as a game it makes 0 sense. That is. This sort of the joke I'm going for here. Now, if I look at the color, you do have your alpha value. So I want it to be slightly more transparent. It's more there just to highlight the eye. And the eye, of course, could have a lighter border around it. You know, we're running out of time. Let's make it dumb. That's the idea. F6, how does that look like actually? There we go. Now what happens when it closes? I'm gonna finish the staring contest part before I make the pause menu. You blinked. Oh. Damn. Press restart. It does nothing right now. It's there. But it's not linked to anything. Which reminds me, I should probably at least link it to the piece of code that has no code in it. So, yeah, those are the 3 graphics I needed for this. Now, what else do I need? I needed a sort of quote-unquote windscreen, which also means that one of the things I'll be needing is a timer. I'll call it the blink timer. Perfect. Signals. Timeout. Connect. Unblink. On restart pressed. Unblink timer. Timeout. Ban and tastic. So, some code actually needs to be put in this thing. What else could we do here? Drink. Ah, yes. Should it all remain in the same scene, or should the scene change? Or when the eye closes? That'll be easier if we do a new scene for this one. Scene. Win scene. Call that okay. From the main, we grab that one. That one in there. This auto loads that one simply has this one, and technically doesn't need to be animated, but we're reusing assets to save time because I'm lazy like that. From here, I think we can probably take the this one I win. rename the restart button to F2 to win. Oh, all caps. There we go. I won, win. And blink to restart. We need another label. How did it go? And theme overrides, font size. See some code. Select, and the scene needs one more. Label, and we need a label shall say congratulations. Theme override, font size. Font size will be the number. Up. There we go, not left. We want you centered in the very center of it all. Alright, 2. You're just going there. See, this is exactly how dumb this shit's gonna be. You press win, that happens. That's it. Win label. Win label goes in here. Ready. Win label dot visible equals false. This happens when we load into this one. On win pressed, win label dot visible equals true. Heckin' magic. Process. Well, there's nothing happening here. We can delete the entire thing. We don't need you. And let's look at staring contest. We have the blink timer. On blink timer, timeout get underscore 3 dot change scene to file win scene. Now I don't need any process information, I think. On restart pressed, get 3 dot change scene to file staring contest. it goes in itself, so it should restart now. Let's see. Blink timer. Blink timer. Let's start. Command F. Command F. Range from. So 2F to 4F. This is to test it for now. Can't remember that's how it worked. No, we'll just go with 0.0s then. Nice and simple that way. So, start the game. Hey! It's so stupid. I won the game. See, congratulations. I win. Okay, restart here doesn't do anything just yet. So okay, we need to add that into win scene as well. Restart first. Get tree dot change scene file staring contest. Oh my god. What have I done? First we lose, be honest. I blinked to restart. What have I done? What have I created, chat? Oh god. The horror. To create a masterpiece. Well, half of one. First I made the staring contest game. Okay, then we'll have to but let's okay, it works. We know this now. So let's change the range from anywhere from 5 seconds up to full minute. Just to really confuse the shit out of people. And right. Yeah, don't need to process information, don't need nothing. It's just a timer based meme game, pretty much. Right, you don't need the pass. There you have simple functions. But there's one thing I want to do, and that is see. Why is the debugger angry? Oh, that's it. Oh. So I'm so used to like the debugger getting angry at all kinds of stuff because I keep on forgetting stuff. Not this time then. I was thinking I kind of actually let's see and actually let's look at say nope it was one. I was thinking what if I have a countdown. There we go. Three. Oh, that's good. Which color is all wrong? That should be fine. Size, font, language box. Now will this work? Let's hope so. Should have probably checked on the good old end, like, are these actually going through where I'd like to think they going through? Or I'm just exporting like multiple versions of the very first thing. Countdown. Assets. 3, 2, 1, 0. And we have 4, so it is 4 FPS. No, 1 FPS, silly me. Oh no, it's not centered. Well, answer is simple, don't look at it. Just don't look at it and it's all okay. Now, look at here. Now, start. I think there was one of those like animation emitted when animation changes, animation emitted when animation reaches the end or the start. If it's played in reverse, when animation finishes, it pauses the playback. This signal is not emitted if an animation is looping. Yes. There we go. Animation finished. I can actually send this thing. Connect. Then this is not a loop, this is a loop. Excellent. Eyeball animation finished. We should then get eyeball dot animation. Alright, I gotta. There we go. Animators first. How do I play name string name? Ah, play. Right. Eyeball dot play. Then ports default. F5, we'll see how it all works out. So, stereo content, first being loses, start the game, 3, 2, 0. Alright, for testing purposes, I should probably not have that at 60. But, it transitioned correctly. remove that 0 from there. And we'll try one more time. Well, that worked out just fine. Now, we got 4 seconds of the beginning, so we can't have that thing just 1 second long outburst. So it'll be 4 plus... Okay. Between 10 and 60 seconds. Because it'll activate when the entire scene starts, and I don't have the energy to care about making it all dynamic and cool, like, so we're just hard coding shit in here like a moron. So why not? Right. We have a countdown, we have an eyeball, we have a win scene. Now we need the pause menu, which will have the game itself. So, running game, create new scene. Pause. Password. That's the way. Okay, now within pause, we will have to figure out what to do. Let's see here. I think we will need a player, right? Suppose it's called a player? I can't remember. No, character. We need one of those. It shall have a collision shape. And that shape shall be a capsule. What the frick not? Yo, why not? Now, our body will also need an animated sprite of its own. Sprite frames. Which means back to the gimping for a little bit. We got an hour left to finish this entire thing. And we'll make it, hopefully. It'd be embarrassing to like publish a game that I didn't really have. Haven't like finishing it anyway. Got this. Well, thank you very much for the vote of confidence there, Soma AF. Well, I do the Reno. We shall zoom on in. So let's see. Let's do my classic simple right. What the? Wine and Dine, thank you very much for the follow. I appreciate it, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Oh, and by the way, people, let me know if you would prefer like anonymous follows, because I've now the thing I didn't really know about until recently. I should make a poll or something. Gotta figure out how to make those. Now, we have the head of our brave hero, who is running super fast. In fact, running so fast. One of his hands is like that, and the other one could be like this, eh? I'm okay with this. Well, that one legs 1. Because on this layer... Oh, draw the first iteration of our legs here. And should you wear pants? Probably. What are the most classic pant colors? Well, wouldn't those be blue jeans? That looks like a good jeans color. Of course, running in blue jeans is insane, so he's actually wearing shorts. Can we find a more like good skin color? That looks good. I would have done the skin first and the pants on top, but you know. Ah, shit. As they say, Nuke 29. No, perkele. I guess he's wearing pants. I mean, shoes of some sort. Which would go like that, I guess. That's a bit too much. He's pushing off the ground there. Hello there, Wandentine. Do you know, do you do a game jam every Sunday, or do you also have your own themes and projects? I could do a game jam every Sunday, and I've been trying to get over my fear of starting another project myself. The idea is to then, eventually start doing more game jam stuff. But I do like these 3-hour game jam, like speed deving stuff, because it forces me to just do stuff, anything, instead of like trying to get lost in the like design challenge of making the perfect game, because I'm exactly that kind of dumbass who does that. Gets way too caught up on trying to make all kinds of complex stuff. Now I am planning on making, like I said, something more serious eventually. I could probably, damn it. I should have had the colors slightly different. Okay, you know what? Let's try not to worry about it. If we can do like 2 frames of animation, that is more than we deserve. Change from this one back to the gray, just for legs 2, so I can sort of like figure out what the heck I'm doing. And hide legs 1 for now. For the next one, the rear leg is now the one pushing off the ground. I feel that started game day for the first time 3 days ago and went straight into trying to make complex 3D games. Now I'm doing game jams for simplest 2D. Exactly, Wandentine. That is my problem. I've been trying to like get into this stuff for quite a while, and I keep on overcomplicating it, and that is why I felt like, you know what, I need to. That's when I found out about these try jams. I got super excited and thought, yeah, this is good, because it's 3 hours. Your chance of failure is super high. You're not expected to make anything super crazy good, and that is something that helps me a lot. Damn it, what's a good line for that one? actually go like even higher up, I guess. There to there. This one will go. You know, I'm overcomplicating this like severely, aren't I? Yes, I am, because thanks to the magic of editing, we can do some color changes. And then we can make sure that one leg is more colored as the back leg, was slightly darker, and one is slightly lighter, the rest of the front leg. And then we'll just switch the colors, and that way this one actually can remain very close. This barely needs to move, actually, for the animation to make sense. At least this is my hope. We'll see. And also, that's also one of the things why I like the stick figure art, because, well, it's the only kind of art I have any chance of like finishing within the 3-hour deadline, because I'm soloing it. I mean, people can do this in teams, and there's like no those like strict rules. Not much to win or lose. That looks like a shoe, right? It's kind of shoe shaped. Heel. There we go. Oh. Now these, I'd say maybe this is the front leg, so that's the back leg. So then we look at our blue, and we make it a little darker. It needs to be dark enough to be obviously different, but not doesn't have. Fake it. There we go. There we go. The skin tone, we do a similar thing there. Yeah. Again, stick figures, we should be able to. That's too dramatic. It looks like a completely different skin tone. That could work. Come on, friend. Don't. Oh, wait. Silly. Oh, no! There we go. Why didn't I think of this sooner? Oh, right, because I'm a dumbass. That's the back. Then this one needs to be the dark one. Good choice. I saw the game demo as well, but I didn't join it because it would take me over 3 hours to even understand how Unity works. I mean, that's the thing. I mean, I came here to fail fast, and I am learning a lot about Godot. I'm learning about GIMP. This is my 4th week on this thing. And also, I've learned that you really need to submit your game for the game jam to actually count. You know. At least even in the description they say, hey, it's just submit. I mean, it doesn't have to be a finished game. Even a broken game is good. Because, hopefully you'll get some feedback. I've gotten good feedback on some of the stuff, the dumber stuff I've done. Like, one of them was like surprised. Someone actually commented like, oh, it's actually a really fun idea, I see. Because also, I'm doing my simple graphic stuff also because I like doing graphic stuff, so I'm hoping to learn more. But that does not mean... Yeah. You have to. HIO has a lot of pre-made assets you can borrow. And the Game Jam does say, you're free to use them. And also, you can use as much time as you want to prepare. It is actually like making the game, making the art. And also I'm saving my art, so I'm planning on then in the future project, including this one actually, start using assets from the previous game I just made. which I've also actually forgot to upload. And also which didn't work. I didn't finish the game at all. I ended up spending, like, again, way too much time making the art. But I don't mind. I like trying to make this stuff work. Now we have a shirt. We'll go with red. Because red goes faster. We all know this. Ah, wait. Okay. Much dark. Could be now. You see, this one will make this one the bigger. Darlene's got my bot to post to Discord through a webhook when the main Python script is ran. Looks clean. Very good, very good. Very nice, my friend. Very nice indeed. I felt like such success when I got streamer bot to do the same thing. You know, all I did was follow instructions, but I do know sometimes following instructions can be a little difficult. I think it was that one, right? That's my... Maybe push OK first. And also, do not use the eraser, friend. Use the brush. Drawing on legs. Okay, fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's not fine. No one raises the arm and the leg from the same side. Wait, no. Actually, no, it makes sense. Yeah, you compress one side and you expand one side when you run, right? Yeah. Ooh, that was close. I would have almost wasted literal minutes. Yeah, I find this game jam to be a fantastic learning experience, and I would recommend it to others as well. Just to force yourself to do something. And because you can't then spend time trying to tweak it, make it perfect, which is, you know, the kind of shit I do as well. I'm pretty sure many others do have the same problem. You just have to make it work. And it doesn't have to be good. All it needs to do is be functional. Alright, I'm gonna actually draw this on the Deuterino layer. The actual head, because the head won't move. Fudge. For this animation. You know what? Okay, fine. What to... There we go. No. Let's see, how do I make the face? I didn't think this far ahead, chat. I have no idea how to do a very quick, simple pixel face. So maybe I don't. You see, that is also an option. Let's go with that. You kind of want him to have a separation between the lines, so you know, that. That's acceptable. much. Alright. As well try Onyx too, I guess. No, wait. I think we got... There we go. Don't do it. Why would it... Legs 1. No, this one. Inside legs 2. I'll get that in. Oh. More stuff missing than I thought. Light blue for magical pants. A little bit of tush. Now, leave this here. Similar, but not the same. Also, there you are, in fact, your arm. Red. Actually, there we go. Not much, but it's there. All right. Save this as runner. And we export as runner 1. Try jam 314 and running game. All the extra information just to make sure it all remains as small as possible. Export as, same place but runner 2. Don't think I'll be needing to draw anymore. So welcome pad away. Little wrist support back. I am not following best practices. Ah, back. Alright, go back. We're the background. Try again. Export as or runner 2. Side assets. Export. Place. Export as. Runner 1. Vacuum to do. We have animated sprites, so art. And play. It's not a very good animation with only 2 sprites, but it's something. It looks stupid as shit. But it's something. Yeah, we'll need a 3rd frame or something. Some in between. 1.9 is perfect. Well, thank you very much. Well, I mean, it is firmly in the same class as the rest of the crap I've got in this game. Also, this tells me that my collision shape needs to be not a capsule, but a good old rectangle. Now, the sprite is too big. Because if the... Nope, it isn't. It is actually absolutely fine. It is in fact the collision shape that is too small. We'll go like that. Perfect. Good enough. Also, this should not be the pause scene. This should in fact be the running man scene. So can I change the name from here, I wonder? Runner scene? Yes. Excelente. Great new scene. Call that one pause. This one. Yeah, has no, it's just an animation and it's A-okay. Click here. Can I make this one? Like scene root. Because I want the default code bloop that comes up there. Save scene as runner. Save. There we go. We have the runner. We have the runner code. Think. Pause GD del and move. Everything should still be a-okay. Yep. Character 2D body, collision shape, and the sprite. The main menu in the game is looking dumb as all hell, which is exactly what I was going for. Kind of want the pause to be a sort of scene that we overlay. I have half hour to make it. Jesus Christ. Okay. So, if you like it, thank you very much. Alright, in order to make... I think I'm gonna have to... copy... paste. Yeah, with that one, that's excellent. Except staring contest will go just pause menu. I want from here, not this one, but from this one. No, let's see, because we got the 2 buttons. Yeah, so we can, because they've already been like centered and shit. So that's why I'm adding these paste. I win will be best pause. Paste. There. Of course, currently space does nothing. In fact, change type. Press to unpause. Don't need any buttons for anything. Just press to pause, press to unpause. Staring contest with your screen, and fantastic. In the middle here is when we have then the actual game happening, and it will be a correct. Yep. The PG so I can see the lovely 3D grid we have here. Oh, and of course, I win shall be in a pause menu will instead be I'm done, and win will simply say quit. I have to quit as well. Done. Pause. Needs a that disconnect connect disconnect connect go again. I blinked. Go again. Save. Now, in this one, yeah. Another color rect. I don't know, something like that, I guess. Something like this. Castle. Add child known. Marker 2D. I have to. Alt obstacles. As here, obstacles. Hang out there. Around here. Change shape. And color will go green. Because, you know, it's grass and stuff. Surely. There we go. 2D might as well be there for now. And runner is too big. There you go. Right. Runner is here. And just make sure everything works the way we'd like it to. I have to add yet more. So let it be a static body 2D. Collision shape that has the shape of a rectangle. Where are you? Collision shape? There you are. Of course, a sensible person would have made that the ground is. You know what? I could probably do that. Actually, no. You know what? No, don't worry about it. Right now, all we need is something that works well enough. To the point that if I press F6 here, button shouldn't work. See, this bugger moves. Basically, what makes him jump. But we need to remove all the other things. We just need to keep space. And, most importantly, runner. Where is your animations? There we go. Save that one. Ah, the ads are upon us once more. I have half an hour left. Make the pause menu work. Now. Remove all of that. I should still have the fine. Yeah. Space still jumps. I do the kind of runs. Yeah, it's dumb, it's hard to understand what's going on. It is wonderfully perfect. Now we'll pause the pause menu here. Let's look at the which color is this? The white one. This one. Yeah, doesn't need much. Welcome back from the ads, everyone. So, stuff kinda works. Keyword being and, you know, kinda. Now, calling the pause menu currently is also very much a lie, and it will most likely remain a lie. But I will get the main menu here. Nope. Staring contest. Press space to pause. Scene has pressed to pause. Pause text gets deleted. There you go. Now pause text 2. Node pressed. Connect. We do get tree. Change scene to file. Pause. Inside. And no. In scene. Get tree. Change scene file. Pause. Move the past text. Save. Here you have a complaint debugger. Then pause. I have a process. I don't care about that one. Actually, I might care about that after all. So we'll leave it there for now. Because, well, we need to spawn in some obstacles. Well, now I'm gonna need more assets, but what I'm gonna do is what do you call it? One last game we made. Machine, there we go. I'm copying the banana from the previous one. Just seeing if we have a running person. Banana, the bow not make sense. See how on the shape. Scene. Banana. The banana scene. We will need a body of some sort. Character, rigid, animated, static. Can't be moved. Okay, 2D physics body. Can't remember which one might be the best one. 2D. Collision objects, physics body. 2D physics body that is moved by physics simulation. Can move external forces when moved manually, doesn't affect other bodies in its path. I don't need a character. I think rigid body might. I don't need that either. Area 2D, that's what we need. And the area 2 need Roll collision shape. And that shape. A rectangle. Now look at a runner. It is 6 squares. I mean, if the banana is this size, it should be fine. Let's make it this big. Why not? Child node. Textured rectangle. Texture in question will be banana. Keep size, ignore size. Thank you very much. There we have it. The enemies of the running man, the banana. And I can't remember which way it was. Let's see, runner, collision shape, or character body. What do we have? Mouse, enter, blah blah blah. Collision, draw item visibility. What?
10 more minutes remaining.
Oh, Jesus, we're not okay. 10 minutes. Oh, I got. Oh, okay. Body entered. Cancel. Banana needs code. Oh, panic. Yeah, that's how it goes. For me, at least. If body dot as method die body dot die. Otherwise, you do fuck all. Oh, flip. There we go. Save. And inside runner, we now have to add in the code a method we shall call func die. No inputs, no outputs. And does nothing right now. Print dead. It does. And within pause, okay, so we have marker 2D process. Timer. Yeah, I can set obstacles. Spawn. Okay. Spawn. There we go. Reload the banana. Var banana equals banana dot instantiate banana dot low. What's the location? Jesus, position equals. Name it marker 2 position. And that bananas process was position dot x plus equals 100 times belt. And we have the obstacles node here, and then we'll do what the frick did I do this? Massive brain fart here. Look at the ask to instantiate, we do, and then we Google shit. Time we don't have. Okay, we'll do obstacles dot add underscore child. Oh no.
5 more minutes remaining.
Yes, I know. Helping. Messing me out here. There we go. Oh no. So that's supposed to what I'm supposed to be checking here. Otherwise good. Negative. Save. Pause. F6. Looks good. Okay. Then pause. Spawn banana. Ready. And also timer dot start. Grand F range 2.0 to 3.0. 1.0 to 3.0. Save. And where's my timer here? And then node and on timer timeout. One banana. Process. I don't think we never needed that one. And start the game, the entire thing by spawning the banana. F6. Yeah, bananas go forever. Dead. Get tree dots. Ain't seen the file. That pushes. We'll put in dead as I needed the win scene because we ain't got nothing else we can do right now. We don't have time. Spawn a banana and let's see, come on. Pause. What is this location? No banana. Where is no banana? Good. No banana goes there. We have okay. Copy. Uber. Paste. There we go. Hopefully it should be behind it now. And then we go into the gosh darn pause of this one. Okay, fine. No banana. Inspector. Transform. Position. Negative 344. If position dot x global position dot x is less than or equal to minus 344. How the frick did we delete stuff? Oh, okay. Good old. Something free. You free. Self dot. You free. Come on. You're not working. Okay, F5. Start the game. Press the pause. Yeah, press the unpause. Oh, unpause does nothing. Oh, that's what we got. No, YouTube. No. We did our best, chat. We did our best. Now I gotta just... Yeah, it's all saved. We've created another game of magnificent nonsense. And it almost works. And I will deal with the publishing it and then putting it uploading it into the game jam. Off stream, mostly because can't really be bothered. So FK, yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I do appreciate it. Now, yeah, let's see here. Go. Whoop, there we go. Use my screen more freely. That was a fun one though. It was not. The day started a little rough. Everything ended up pretty okay. Change for that one. Well, thank you very much, Wine and Dine. Thank you very much. Did my best. Wasn't fully functional, but it almost does what I wanted to. Now, where is... No? Okay, we're done with you, Try Jam, though. And this is the one. Now, if I click here... There we go. Now. Oh, and of course. We got those Jail Hop tunes back. And I'm gonna have a little break. And while I'm out, I'm wondering if you guys want to, we can have some words on stream. I'll just do a little to restart and run. It's I have not activated it just yet. I'm gonna activate the suit. Return. Restart the end run. Do that one so I can pin it. Sure. And then I click here on start. And there you go. It happens. It is very true. Yeah. But yeah, I need to go and let my dogs out in the backyard and have a little break. So I'll be back soon. Have fun. Hello there, Final Slice. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Yeah, it's because there's you didn't get the base and I got it because there's a cooldown because you see the little lock symbols. It's about unlock. Between those, you get like one correct guess. Yeah, that's where the locks are there. So it's if you get one correct guess, then you select locked out until the lock opens up the next time. Yeah, the cooldown starts when you get a correct guess, and it ends when the like little timer there reaches the next like lock. Tragic. But maybe Simon. Move on. What? There we go. Oh, damn it! I'm sorry. I didn't show you the points. I'm sorry about that. But hello everyone. And I mean, if you want to just have more of that, let me know. Way to pick it up. Bring it up. Thank you. Oh. I'm glad you liked it. I very much enjoyed it myself. I saw it on other people's streams, and then I figured out how to get it on mine. I think it's a much better way to spend the breaks than having the dancing Viking get killed by random things or whatever happens in the game I'm playing. Now I gotta change my title now and stuff. Ah, what the frack? Why would you do this, OBS? There we go. Okay, so good viewer engagement and enjoyment too. Exactly. Fun little game for sure. I'm glad you liked it because I very much enjoyed it and I thought that's a good way to offer some viewer engagement and generally have some nice content for everyone to enjoy while, especially because sometimes I have to leave the stream open where I go walk the dogs and so on. Let's call it, I don't know, vintage steel. Here, sure. I'm gonna just do a little bit more. Gosh darn it. Vintage story again, which is probably won't surprise anyone. Tomorrow will be my summer car. But I started making steel last time I was there, and it has a cooldown thing, so I need to see how that one is working out. Just remote server. And score. Link. Shocked. Vintage story. I know what kind of monster plays such a game. Oh, it's horrifying and strange and different. Category. Yeah, I do need to start playing other games though. It has it actually though. It says the stuff has changed. Good. Can I do it on sand as well? I know all the stream titles should have been changed. Fantastic. And now what we jump over here. Get thrown away. Go back in. Yeah, an unexpected is it? There we go. There we go. Yeah, I had an unplanned stream yesterday, and it went way longer than I thought it would go as well. Now, I was just hoping to like try stuff out. I was considering maybe even playing Dwarf Fortress or something, but yeah, nope. Ended up playing Vintage Story, and it got a little overboard. So today more BS. Tomorrow we'll go back to the regularly scheduled My Summer Car, and well, one of these in the near future, one of these days, will then have to be more. Well, then I'll actually have to start the Dwarf Fortress. Cause I've been talking about it with other people and such for a while now. And I'm thinking, oh, I actually have to start out finally playing that game. Now, I don't know how much time has passed in game, so now I am afraid of what's. No! Well, hello there, Blocky. How is my steel? Conversation process complete. Oh my frickety frack. It's done. Oh, what? I didn't think it would be. Oh, but yesterday, you know what I did? I did this. Look at it. It is amazing. I'm so happy with this. All this chiseling work. First steel. Yeah, this is my very first steel. Finally done. I'll use my aged granite ashlar blocks for the like little hell basement for burning the charcoal. And this is for my beehive kiln. I must say, I kind of prefer the larger cream blocks over the tight one for this specific pattern, but they both look very nice in my opinion. First steel tools, let's go. Exactly. And and now I have a beehive kiln. I've been, of course, gathering a bunch of like blue clay and making cream block stuff, like cream shingles. And then the walnut I found turning into wall. Slowly but surely turning into something this place. And I smelted like a ridiculous amount of copper. Turned them all into plates. And then I got like a teeny weeny tiny piece of the roof done. You're looking clean? Well, thank you, Tourmaline. It is still work in progress, but it's getting there. I smelted so much copper to make so many plates, and I got like this tiny piece of roof done, and I need so much more to roof this entire thing. And I realized I need to move the center of my roof one step to the left. So, that too. But we're getting there, slowly but surely. But I'm really liking the shingle roof. Cream one. Yep. Copper roof, hope there's lightning. Yeah, well, I mean, there is lightning. And I've been considering, I mean, hey, if nothing else, copper roof is perfect. It'll keep the lightning away from, me. And I can always build a big old tower and put a lightning rod on top of it. I wonder if they're going to add, like, some Frankensteinian weird kind of, like, thunder-based, thunder-functioning, technology to the game. Because there is a lightning rod. So that could be cool. But yeah, this house is getting along into becoming something. And I have my double hell hammer. The materials are... Oh. Ah, damn it. There's a portal to hell in my basement. Again. Because I'm standing here and we're going fine. And my little cog spins backwards super fast. I need to put lights down there. Oh, it's annoying. Play a power system? Oh, yeah, exactly. And that's probably because it's something that happens every now and then. So, oh, okay. And I have my clutch and transmission. Disengaged. My double hammer. Because one hammer will not be enough for the amount of plates I need to produce. Okay, here's it. So if I go down here... And now look, and... Yeah, there it is. There it is. There, you see? Goddamn portal to hell. Right in my house. In the foundations. Oh, it's not safe. And this space will become the proper basement. Above me is my kitchen. My charcoal burner, which has charcoal currently. Makes me happy. And the very first chiseling thing I did, I'm so happy about these ovens still. I keep on showing them off to people again and again. And I will keep doing it. because I'm happy. And I fetched my large book stand. This actually survived from the Resident Archives thanks to me transporting it via an auction, the auction system. So now I have a recipe book in my kitchen, and I think it looks lovely. I tried a window pane recipe today and typed in window, and I brought up things that were not in the game before the update. Ooh, very curious which location to go to. What is hell leaving tough stains in your basements? Looks like you need OxyClean. Yep, that is very true. Most likely. As all this rotted. Oh. Would you look at that? Oh, right, I should put on my stuff, because when I ended my stream, I was also like showing off all my crown. See, I love the fact, yeah, if you choose a bald head, you can still add like hair details, and messy hair is one. So bald head and messy hair is my like current favorite combination because it looks so dumb. It looks so, and I love the fact that my dude looks so disappointed. He's the saddest man. He's so done, but he must fight, for he is king. I like to put on my goat mask. I guess I should put on the armor as well. And the robe. And the helmet, which sadly hides the crown. Tragic. Very tragic. Southern Kingdom and the Northern Dynasty. Yes! The dynasty of Empress Blocky and her subject, the Clayman. Ooh, bunch of rot there. Nice. You can turn that shit into compost, actually. 1600 set. Okay, yeah. I made like a bunch of food that is just red meat with red meat. With a good nice little garnish of red meat. Now, can't remember why I've done that. Looted borax. Oh, no. Here we go. Weak tannin. Eight is... Yeah. How many we can put in the weak tannin? Strong. It's the maximum. Yeah. Because in order to get the elk, I need to have all the stuff, right? So I can't just buy the elk blocky. I need the things. Claiborne and Asti, lol. Yeah? Empress Blocky and her retainers. Claiborne. Born of Clay. And Asti. The Estiferous. I think I'll need 5 acacia logs for that one. I don't have any right here. I have a bunch here. Spicy logs. Get those nice, delicious, spicy tannins. All going. There we go. Now... Yeah, these porthole windows, yeah. I don't want to... yeah, they look cool. Well, because it's a porthole, so it looks like some kind of weird submarine. Is there underwater kingdom? An underwater exploration? 2 casuals, Scooty Goose and their 2 squires. Cool, hey, right? Exactly. Because portholes are literally, you know, because they're on the port side and the starboard, so because they are windows in boats, in vessels, in vehicles. Oh, right, I was supposed to look at my steel. Because this is also what I got done. Yesterday, finally got my refractory bricks. And then I had these holes on the side I didn't fill in, but then monsters kept spawning inside this tiny little hole, so I had to fill it with sand and gravel. Same as on that side, because it was annoying when, you know, I was down there chiseling, and like a beastie was trying to get in like through that corner. But now I have some of this like structure figured out. I added some windows here so I can see the smoke when using this stuff. I have 20 ingot molds for my copper production. Now, how do I do I just break it? I turned into stone. I'm like, is it a sunken ship type thing because there aren't oceans yet? So is it for the future or is it a land ship? Yeah, I mean, it could be. Or it is just some kind of like drop down. Oh, I can reuse the lids. Oh, that's nice. And oh. So the coffin actually survived. That's cool. That's handy. And blister steel. Smelting temperature 1602. I don't have a... There we go. I can put that stuff there. Even charcoal came out. That's weird. Oh, right. I wondered, why does the music get all weird there? Then I remembered, oh yes, portal to hell in the basement. Keep on forgetting about that. And if I put my steel here to wait dealing with, they'll need to be heated up and then hammered out with my lovely double hams. I need more iron ingots. Oh, nope. More iron ingots, and that means these guys. Fire clay bricks. I have more fire clay bricks here. Got some refractory bricks. One more kiln door, which I apparently didn't need. And, oh, right, I'm gonna have to make more of these too. Nails and strips. I just will use copper, I guess. Got one of those copper plates I could smelt. Okay, and the chest jeweled me. Okay, shit. Oh, right, I forgot about that. Okay, well, the steel is okay, so... Kinda, I guess I could. One tile is damaged. What? Now I have to like figure out where is the spicy block. Damage, refractory brick. You bastard, get the fuck out of my steel production. Usually it's land ship. Yeah, land ship could be cool. It could be, I mean, cause yeah, there aren't oceans, but there are still like lake water elements. So it could be like a dungeon for the land ship. It could be like a sunken ship thing. And it just comes with a thingamabob. You only need the one, I believe. Fuck, there we go. Link, yeah, no, you, okay, come on. Oh. Okay. Nope. Charcoal. That's where you go. So I'm trying to remember where everything is here. And whispers. Oh shit. Okay, let's do this. Litchess.org. Oh, crap. It just started. Okay. Damn it. Now we gotta play chess. Okay, well this good thing I haven't put anything on. I'll just double check that everything is. Nope, I remembered. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Did I have any more weak tan in here that doesn't have stuff in it? Oh, this guy. Damn it. It's too big. Maybe a medium one fit. Only a small one could work there. Nice, so you come here. Come here. Get monked. Okay. I'll just turn that stuff into like weak cannon. Be right with your reap. Bigger barrel mod. I mean, could be, but I don't mind the system. You know, things. I mean, it's still 50 liters. It's still a large amount of stuff. You know. And I don't have any raw things anymore. And I'm gonna have to put the food away. There we go. Oh, it's full of rot. There we go. Man will survive. And turns out, Vintage Story, we'll return to it in just a bit. Yeah. Disconnect. And some of this. And oh, right. Turn off this thing entirely. There we go. Oh, category apparently hadn't changed anyway. No, this thing doesn't always change. Now it's just my category Vintage Story when I just literally change it to chess. What, Twitch? What do you say? You say it's chess. Right? Looks like chess. Should be fine. You're in chess. Good. Also, I realized I was bad. Shouldn't have done that. Wait. I'll do a quick little shenanigans like there. 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 And pop. There we go. So, and I guess I'm white. I haven't played chess in quite a while. We'll see how much I can remember. Yeah. So, chess versus Reaper Link. Reapiest of the linkiest. 21 games? Yeah, well 21 is actually a decent number, I think. I just played chess every now and then when I had the chance through the years. Now that was a mistake. Oh well. But oh shit, that's the queen? I thought that was the king. God damn it. I was trying to do the... Is this the king or queen? Why can't... Yeah, that's queen. Oh, god damn it. Oh well. I was trying to do the thing where you go back to... The king goes to the side and then the tower protects him. Alright, well that went all tits up. Waiting for opponent. Oh wait, that kind of a move. Well, what happens, yo? Welcome back from the ads, everyone.